Number 21. Get off to a good start. It means to begin an activity or process in a promising manner.
We got off to a good start this semester. We got off to a good start this semester. The project got off to a good start. The project got off to a good start. They got off to a good start with their presentation. They got off to a good start with their presentation.
Number 22. Be given the chance. It means to be offered an opportunity to do something.
She was given the chance to lead the project. She was given the chance to lead the project. If given the chance, I would travel more. If given the chance, I would travel more. He was given the chance to prove himself. He was given the chance to prove himself.
Number 23. Give credit. It means to acknowledge someone's contribution or effort.
Always give credit where credit is due. Always give credit where credit is due. She forgot to give credit to her co-author. She forgot to give credit to her co-author. We must give credit to the team for their work. We must give credit to the team for their work.
Number 24. Give a cry. It means to shout or scream, often due to surprise or excitement.
He gave a cry when he saw the spider. He gave a cry when he saw the spider. She gave a cry of joy at the news. She gave a cry of joy at the news. The audience gave a cry when the lights went out. The audience gave a cry when the lights went out.
Number 25. Give feedback. It means to provide constructive criticism or comments on someone's work or performance.
Please give feedback on my presentation. Please give feedback on my presentation. The teacher gave feedback to each student. The teacher gave feedback to each student. It's important to give feedback after the trial run. It's important to give feedback after the trial run.